DynoJoe here. We're here at Circle D Specialties Transmissions and Torque Converters in Houston, Texas. Last year I had a lot of problems with my transmission, torque converter, a lot of breakage. Today we're going to meet with Chris Seahorn out in the converter shop. He's going to show you what goes into building one of his Billet Specialties converters. And next week we're going to take you through how my transmission was built and all the great upgraded parts that go for the newer Mustangs, GM products, and everything that the folks here at Circle D Specialties come up with.
Hi, my name is Chris Seahorn, and I'm the owner of Circle D Specialties, and we manufacture high-performance torque converters. Well, I actually started working at the transmission division, Circle D Transmission, which is right next door to us. I started, pushing a broom, mopping floors, doing a little R&R, tearing down, whatnot, started building transmissions. And then my dad, who was running the converter shop at that time, needed some help, so I started out here pushing brooms and whatnot, working my way up. And this converters just really enticed me. Very entertaining to me to figure out how they work and stuff. So I started pushing more and more towards performance, and started getting CNC equipment and so forth, and here we are today. On some of our applications, we found it better to actually use a dual bolt pattern. And the reason being is because it fits multiple applications, and it makes conversion processes really easy for the customer. Whereas this is a truck bolt pattern for a 4R70W, this would be a Mustang GT bolt pattern. And we've combined them. So if you're doing a conversion off of an old style flex plate, you don't have to worry about ordering some special flex plate that has a smaller bolt pattern for your converter. We do the dual bolt pattern, so it's a one size fits all there.
What possessed you to go from, everybody's used to seeing a standard converter, and you've obviously taken the performance, the building of it, the design of it, to a completely new level that not many of your competitors are doing right now. Why is it that you felt you needed to completely redesign a converter?
There's a cutaway of one of our billet fronts. This is the LS model here. But you can see that the transition there, that's where the bushing goes. You can see our flow going behind the bushing. You can see our bolt depth, 20 millimeter long bolt depth, incredible strength there. The clutch teeth, we actually have a relief underneath it. We've actually made this come up where it's very, you have a lot of overlap there, 100 and something thousands of overlap, when the clutch clearance is only going to be about 50 thousandths. We moved a lot of the transitional load from the top of the pad to the side of the wall, so you have all that transitional force there. Right now he's going to be setting the actual internal clearance or relief that we have for the converters. The exact number is kind of a trade secret, so we'll leave it like that. It's just in my blood. I just over-engineer everything.
And what kind of warranty do you offer on converters?
All of our Pro Series, which is all of our billet line, will have a 2-year warranty. And in that 2-year warranty time frame, we also have a stall change option. So if your combination changes, you're forced or naturally aspirated now, and a year from now you end up putting a magnet charger on there or something of that nature, we can custom build it again to that application, no charge. Just send it back to us. We'll do the stall change for you.
So a customer, as long as they pay shipping and handling to you and back, they can get a stall change within the first 2 years of owning the converter.
Correct. I was going to show you a little bit of our packaging process here, what we do to ensure that the converter arrives in a safe manner when it gets to you. We actually have a 2-inch foam packaging on the bottom that we throw a converter in. We have bolts and a little bit of Loctite for you, make sure none of the bolts back out. And then we have another piece of 2-inch foam there that goes around. We'll cut out on the hub there, boom, and we throw in some stickers, and that's it. We package it up, send it off to you.
Now you ship not only around Texas, the U.S.,
we
ship
worldwide.
international, worldwide.
Matter of fact, this is actually going to Australia.
Australia?
They like to race down there. I'm on camera, but go ahead.